Imagine stumbling upon a bizarre, fluffy mushroom that looks like it belongs in a fantasy novel rather than your local forest. Known as the lion's mane mushroom, this unique fungus is not only visually stunning, but also packed with surprising health benefits. With its distinctive cascading spines, this mushroom has earned its name by resembling the mane of a lion. Traditionally used in East Asian medicine, lion's mane is praised for its potential to boost brain health and improve cognitive function. Recent studies suggest that compounds in lion's mane may even stimulate the growth of nerve cells, paving the way for breakthroughs in treating neurodegenerative diseases. Foraging for lion's mane can be a delightful adventure, as it typically grows on decaying hardwood trees during late summer and early fall.